Okay, everyone, we have some old rusted up wrenches that I have here. Left them soaking in oil for a bit, but a lot of the rust ain't it's not coming off. So I wiped it down. It's still there, very rusty, brown. Gotta scratch it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a wire brush wheel and just go ahead and grind this off. So, quick comparison. There you go. Those of you looking to get some of your old rusted up tools and make them look a little bit decent, you can keep on cleaning it. It'll look nicer, but just to kind of show you what you can do on there.